Winfield, Alabama. It's not just another name on a map. This place has a wild pulse. Many people just drive on through. They don't stop. They don't look. They have no idea what they're missing out on. This is a hidden frontier, a place that's waiting for the bold, for those willing to step off the easy path. This town, this environment, it demands your respect, but it offers true, untamed adventure in return. Forget those polished tourist trails. Forget the crowds and the gift shops. This is something entirely different. This is real. It's unfiltered nature, the kind that bites back if you're careless. Nature in its most pure, powerful form. It will certainly test you. It will push your physical and mental limits, but the rewards, they are unforgettable. Memories forged in the wild. You have to earn them, though. Think of this journey as an expedition, not just a casual visit. You're stepping into the wild core of Alabama, a place where every one of your senses will come alive. The smell of damp earth, the sound of unseen creatures. The wild heart of Alabama beats strong here. Picture this in your mind. Rolling hills stretch out before you, as far as the eye can see, covered in a carpet of green, untamed, unbroken. Forests stand tall and proud, ancient sentinels whispering secrets on the wind. The air here, it's clean, it's crisp. You can almost taste the wildness in it. You can smell the rich scent of pine needles, feel the solid earth beneath your boots. This is nature's territory. You're just a guest. Dive deep into these woodlands, a dense canopy of leaves high above. Sunlight struggles to break through the thick foliage. It creates a shifting world of deep shadows and sudden, bright patches of light. Oak trees, hickory, pine. These giants of the forest provide vital shelter. They are home to countless creatures, big and small. This is their kingdom, their sanctuary. You must respect it, move quietly, observe everything, learn its rhythms. Waterways carve their paths through this rugged landscape. The Luxapalila Creek is a key feature, a vital artery flowing through the region. It twists, it turns. Its path is never straight. The changing seasons paint this wild canvas with different colors. Are you ready to get out there and explore? Good. That's the spirit. The vast Bankhead National Forest is not too far away, a massive wilderness area, worthy of any expedition. But Winfield itself has its own special spots. Ivan K. Hill Park is a good place to start, a local hub. Get your bearings there, plan your route. Your adventure truly begins when you take that first step onto the trail. This is where you connect. Find the trails that run alongside Luxapalila Creek. Follow the water. It's your guide. Listen carefully. Watch intently. What will you see? Perhaps a white-tailed deer cautiously drinking at the water's edge, or a vibrant kingfisher diving for its meal. The path might be muddy in places. It might be rough and uneven underfoot. That's all part of the experience. Embrace the challenge. It makes the destination sweeter. Every step is a discovery. Seek out the hidden spots, the local secrets. You might need to ask some of the locals, or just trust your instincts and explore. These are the real treasures. The places you won't find in any tourist guidebook. You find them. Section 4, Wild Encounters. Winfield's flora and fauna. Keep your eyes peeled and your ears open. Wildlife is all around you here. White-tailed deer, moving like silent ghosts through the trees, especially at dawn and dusk. Squirrels chattering high in the branches, always busy, always foraging. Birds singing their hearts out from hidden perches. A natural orchestra playing just for you. Every sound, every rustle in the undergrowth tells a story. You just need to learn how to listen. Look closer. Scan the ground. Look under rocks and logs. Snakes might be sunning themselves on warm rocks. Turtles basking near the water's edge. Frogs and toads calling out in the evening chorus. If you're quiet and patient, maybe you'll spot a cunning fox or a curious raccoon on its nightly rounds. The forest is absolutely teeming with life, both big and small. Each creature plays its vital part in this intricate ecosystem. Be patient, be still. Let nature reveal itself. The plants you see here are true survivors. They are tough, they are resilient. Section 5, your adventure awaits. Answer Winfield's call. So what are you waiting for then? The time for hesitation is over. Winfield is much more than just a destination on a map. It's a challenge. It's an open invitation to step outside your everyday comfort zone, to reconnect with something primal, something deeply real, something that's often lost in our modern lives. The wild is calling out to you. Can you hear it? It's a whisper on the wind. Don't just stick rigidly to the marked path all the time. Explore a little. Safely, of course. Always be prepared. Try to find your own secret spot, your own secluded viewpoint. Create your very own adventure. That's what this is truly all about. Pushing your personal boundaries, making your own unique discoveries, forging your own stories. Those are the experiences that stick with you long after you've returned home. The rewards you'll find here are immense. I'm not talking about material riches or fleeting fame, something far better, far more valuable. You'll find peace. You'll find clarity, a profound sense of achievement knowing that you faced the wild and found your own place within it. These are the real trophies of adventure.